Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Jen here. Today I am sharing with you my grocery haul from Walmart and Aldi's, as well as my meal plan. So if you have any questions or comments or anything, leave them down below and I'll definitely get back to you. And let's go ahead and jump right into it. We'll start with the menu plan. This is what we're having. Today's Tuesday, so we actually had pork chops last night. Tonight we're having sausage pasta, which I got this recipe from Kristen Casper. I will link her channel below and the video. I tried it a couple weeks ago and we all absolutely loved it. It's her own recipe. And then tomorrow, roast in the crock pot, chicken broccoli bake on Thursday, BLT wraps on Friday, leftovers or pizza on Saturday, depending. We usually do that on Friday, but we're doing it on Saturday this week. And then grilled chicken and asparagus on Sunday. I got 2 rolls of Jimmy Dean sausage for the sausage pasta, which I'm actually already cooking, so you won't see that with all the groceries because I've already started browning that for the sausage. All right, so everything on this side of the table is from Aldi's and everything on that side is from Walmart. So I'll start with Aldi's over here because it's not as much stuff. These, my little guy was with me and he wanted to try these to take in his lunches for school, so we went ahead and grabbed that. Here I always get the organic grape tomatoes from Aldi's. I love them and I make a ton of salads, so those are perfect for that. Of course, strawberries for the kids because they go through strawberries and the grapes. And these grapes from Aldi's, they're the red seedless organic grapes. They are so good and the kids absolutely love them. Some organic bananas, some more of, this is the artisan, however you say that, lettuce, the 4 heads. I like the different varieties, so I like getting this one. Plus we still have spinach and romaine in the fridge, so I didn't have to stock up on those, so I just got the 1 pack of that. And then here I got this. I haven't tried this hummus from there before. This is the layered hummus, chickpea medley, garlic and roasted red peppers, but it looked good, so I wanted to give it a try. And I like it with cucumbers or carrots or even these gluten-free pretzel sticks. This is a repeat purchase because I really like those. Then I needed some light brown sugar for a recipe that I'll be baking with my daughter. She loves to bake, so. And these are for her as well. Mozzarella cheese sticks with marinara sauce for a snack after school, along with these. The kids were with me, so you can tell. And then these they had on sale, so I just went ahead and grabbed them while I was there. We're not having tacos this week, but it was on sale, so I wanted to go ahead and grab it. And then pineapple. Their pineapples are always on a really good deal, so I grabbed that. So that was everything from Aldi's. So now for Walmart. First I'll start with the meat. I'm doing a roast in the crock pot on Wednesday, so I needed a roast. BLTs I'm doing on one of the nights, so I need another pack of bacon. Got some lunch meat for the kids for after school. I got a pack of broccoli cuts for the chicken broccoli bake I'm making. And then with the BLTs, the kids always like these seasoned French fries, so I got a pack of those. I got these Lunchables to throw in the lunches for the kids' school. And then with the sausage pasta tonight, I'll be making these garlic breadsticks. So I haven't tried this kind before, but the little one absolutely loves breadsticks, so I got those. I got these for salads because I'm always trying to dress up or add stuff onto salads because I eat a ton of salads and you gotta spice it up a little bit. And then a big old thing of ranch because we eat so much salads and everybody likes ranch. This bow tie pasta for the sausage pasta. Then I got a couple soups, cream of broccoli for the chicken broccoli bake, and golden mushroom soup and French onion soup for the roast. Add that right in the crock pot with. I got a head of cabbage here, got a cucumber for salads. I normally just chop up carrots for the roast, but they had these organic baby carrots on a deal, so I went ahead and grabbed those, and I'm just going to throw those in the crock pot. And then organic celery hearts, and I will throw those also in the crock pot. I already had potatoes at home, so I didn't need to get any of those. For the sausage pasta also tonight, I needed heavy whipping cream, so I went ahead and grabbed that. And this is the creamer that I use in my coffee, so I got another one of those. And then here I got this tomato basil pasta sauce, organic. And then I got 2 of these Ragu Simply No Sugar Added 100% olive oil, because these had coupons on them, so I went ahead and grabbed them. And this is the chunky marinara. And then my daughter and I both love these drinks, these tea drinks, so I got a few of those for us. And then also these for after school snacks. My kids absolutely love these ramen noodles, so I always try to keep those on hand. That's an easy snack for them to make. And then this is my husband's coffee. He likes that extra caffeine. And I just do the regular donut shop Walmart brand. And then a case of these little waters here to put in my son's lunches. These Yoo-hoo drinks for the kids of Capri Suns. And also just a random not food item. We needed some Listerine. That is everything for groceries this week and meal planning. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and definitely give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. And if you ever have any questions about the meal plan or recipes or anything, just leave them in the comments below, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.